Hey guys, Greg here from Hyundai. This is a 2018 Hyundai Sonata GL in white in color, as you can tell. It does come with your backup camera as well. Very clean on the inside and on the outside. You also have your blind spot look from the mirrors. Coming inside, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, cloth interior with manual seats, as well as heated front seats. 3 different driving modes, as well as your 12-volt plug-in, auxiliary, and USB. AM/FM radio with CD, or sorry, no CD. You also do have your cruise controls as well as your Bluetooth controls, and the mileage at 30,792. Coming to the back, power windows, power locks as well. You do have another USB plug-in for the rear and a center console for drinks and elbows. Seats also do fold down 60/40 for extra room in the back. For more information, check us out at west710hyundai.com. Give me a call or text 778-867-4734. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope to see you soon.